So, given this question, we want to find the cube root of the whole thing under the root, which is 1.164, 1.654 whole square, divided by 45.73 and the product, between 45.73 times 0.56 using logarithms table. So to start with, we're going to get out our number log rules at the table. Let me move this a little bit. So we're going to put number and log. So there are lots of activities that we want to do there. The first thing is that we want to, this is number and this is log. So the first number is 1.654. So because this number is already in the format of standard form, like 1 point, first digit and a point, then we're not moving the point any step, so the character is 0. Then we'll go and check logarithms. 16 under 5, difference 4. 16 under 5, difference 4. So 16 under 5 just means 21.75, and difference 4 is 11. So this should be 21.86. 21.86. So I have 21.86. Then to square it, because it's a square, if you want to square it, we're going to multiply by 2 on this logarithm side. So, and to multiply by 2, we say 6 times 2 gives us 12. We write 2, um, we keep 1. So 2, we keep 1. Then 2 times 8 is 16, plus the 1 I kept, that's 17. I keep 1 again. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1, that's 3. Then 2 times 2 gives me 4. So I have 4 here. Then 2 times 0 is 0. So this is 0.4372. So I'm through with everything the denominator, the numerator involves. Now to move over to the denominator. And we have two numbers at the denominator. Are you getting that? Are you getting that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So we have 45.73, then times 0.56. So the 45.76 goes in here because it's 45. To get 4.573, that means I move my point one step to the left, which is positive 1. Then I will check logarithm 45 under 7 difference 3. So 45 is down here. Under 7 is at this middle page, or at this beginning of this place. So that is 65.99. Difference 3 is 3. So if I add 3 to 99, I have, okay, to 599, then I'm going to add 602,
Yes,
right?
yes, sir.
That will be 6602. So
We, we,
6602 instead of 6599. Then the next one, it's zero point 0.5. So to have a standard form format 5.6, I move my point once to the right, which is negative 1. So I will check logarithm 56 under 0. So 56 is down here. Under 0 is 74.82. 74.82. Because I'm multiplying them, Because it's times, then I'm going to add these two values together. 2 plus 2, 4. 0 plus 8, 8. 6 plus 4, 10. Then 6 plus 7 is 13 plus 1, that's 14. So 1 plus the 1 here, that's 2. 2 minus 1 is me, 1. So I'm also through with the denominator. Now to combine both numerator and denominator in terms of dividing them. So this is what I have here. Let's see. So this is the next step that I want to carry out. I can just place it here or something. So if I want to carry out this step here, it means the numerator under logarithm minus the denominator under logarithm. So the numerator here is 0.4372 and the denominator here is 1.4084. So I want to subtract between the two because I'm dividing. So 2 minus 4 is not possible. I said 12 minus 4, that gives me 8. Now this is 6. 6 minus 8 is not possible. That means 16 minus 8, and that's 8. Then 3 was here, it becomes 2. So 2 minus 0 is 2. Then 4 minus 4 is 0. Now 0 minus 1 gives me negative 1, which is bar 1. And with this, I want to find the cube root according to. So the cube root means we will divide by 3. If it is cube, we have to multiply by 3. So to find the cube root of the whole thing, it means I will divide that answer at the top. I'll divide it by 3. So this divided by 3 will give us the product, the cube root here. So, but this is bar 1. I need a bar 3 to be able to divide 3. So if I replace bar 1 with bar 3, it will look as if I've changed the value of bar 1. But I don't want the value to change. So I must add something to it in order to retain bar 1. Just like saying minus 3 plus something equal to minus 1. So that something will be minus 1 plus 3, which is positive 2. So x is positive 2. So I'm going to use here now, I will use bar 3 plus 2 to replace bar 1. So here, this is what I'm dividing now. Bar 3 plus 2. Then there's a point here, 0 to 8, 8. So that if I divide by bar 3, I will say bar 3 divided by bar 3, that is bar 1. Then 20, that 2. So 3 in 20 is 6, remainder 2. 3 in 22 is 7, remainder 1. 3 in 18, that is 6. 3 in 8, that is 2, remainder 2. 3 in 6 and 20, that is 6. So this one can round these two up to become 3. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. So let me just move this aspect on. So this becomes our final answer, but we have to take it out of logarithm to antilog. So to take this to antilog, we have to say our answer is going to be 0 point whatever. So we check antilog 67 under 6 difference 3. Antilog 67 under 3. Under 6 difference 3. So 67 is somewhere here. Under 6 is here. That is 47, 42. Difference 3 is 3. That's 47, 45. So we have 0.4745. And now, this is bar 1. If you add 1 to bar 1 based on the rule of logarithm that you must add 1 to know where your point will be, this becomes 0. That means we're not shifting our point to anywhere. This becomes our answer. But if you give us 1, we shift it once to the right. If you give us negative 1, we shift it once to the left. Or whatever it gives us, we count it. Now let us try to verify this claim. Can you see the calculator?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The first thing that we have is 1.654 all squared. This gives me 2.735716. 2.735716. I want to divide it by something. So I have the one at the bottom is 45.73 times 0.56. 45.73 times 0.56. So I have 25.6088. 25.6088. So I want to find the cube root of all of this. So I'll first equate the first figure 2.735716 divided by 25.6088. So this gives me this whole lot of numbers, zero point 0.1 stuff, and I'm going to get a cube root of this. So that means second function 2. So this gives me 0.4744. Okay,
Okay.
though we got 0.4745, and if we round this one up, you can see it's still the same 0.4745. Stop on this 4, right? This 4 is going to become 5, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. So I'll give you some time to put this down while I give you the question to try when you go through, okay?